Hi, my name's Frank. I'm SuperBike Factory in Donington here, and here's our final bike night of the year. Please enjoy.
If you think it's over, then let's start it again. The planets alive, the stars burn bright, the sun goes down, we keep going on now. Going back down, the moment is now. Don't miss out, we're never turning around. Your light is young, we're out and free. If you can, try to catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. We're renegades. We're renegades.
3, 2, 1.
We're renegades. They'll never see us 'cause we're moving the night. We're always ready if they put up a fight. Outrun, outclimb, we'll outshine. You will run and think it's worth it to try. So listen up, listen up. I'm calling your bluff, calling your bluff. Yeah, give it up. I think you've had enough. You've had enough. We're renegades. Yeah, we're renegades. We're renegades. Too much on the line, too much to give in. If you think it's over, then let's start it again. The planets align, the stars burn bright, the sun goes down, let's keep going all night. So listen up, listen up. I'm calling your bluff, calling your bluff. Yeah, give it up, give it up. Think you've had enough, you've had enough. We're renegades.